Landwork.com, the online marketplace for agriculture.
All right, we are here at our location in Weser, Claas, Weser, Ems. We have a total of 4 locations in northern Germany. Our main location in Mollbergen and 3 branches spread throughout Claas, Weser. At Ems, 130 employees work together with 37 trainees. And we see that we have a relatively high training rate in order to simply counteract the shortage of skilled workers. Here in Westerstede, at this location, we are in a grassland region. Mainly we market large forage harvesters, tractors, forage harvesters, but of course also other machines here. We have products from Horsch, Samson, Brieri and Krampe in our program. And in potato technology, we also have the company Ropa. So in addition to selling new and used machines, we have grown a lot here, especially in the service and information technology sectors. We offer various services here at this location, especially in the service sector. This includes post-harvest checks for harvesting machines, where we actually bring the machines in from the customer during the winter. We perform post-harvest checks on forage harvesters, combine harvesters, and large 4-rotor swaders, so that the machines are thoroughly checked, ready for use, and safe to operate for the customers when they go back into service next spring. Especially in the area of spare parts and spare parts procurement, we also have experts here at our location or generally at Claas Weser Ems, so that getting spare parts if something breaks is also relatively quick, so that the downtime of machines here for our customers is relatively low. If we briefly talk about the top sellers that we sell here, in the tractor segment, Arion 660, Axion 830, the professional machines for professional operations, or the all-rounders for contractors, and also in the forage and harvesting machinery segment. Everything called Liner 4000, meaning 4-rotor swathers, and now also the new Disco 9300 with auger merging. Really a machine that we were able to show to customers through demonstrations, and it also sparked enthusiasm. In conclusion, we can say that we will continue to expand our service strength. We are now going to basically double the size of the workshop here, so that in the future we will continue to do a lot for our customers and also for employee satisfaction in order to become even better in the service sector.